How to schedule Google Meet in advance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also have a meeting coming up next in your weekends and you want to schedule a meeting from Google Meet for that particular meeting, then here's what you need to do. So first thing first, simply head over to your Google Meet application over here and just keep in mind that before scheduling any meet, you must have a Google Calendar application installed from the Google itself. There is a Play Store itself before proceeding on to schedule and meet on Google Meet. So as you can see, I am currently installing Google Calendar. So make sure you have done the same as well. So once that is successfully installed, you can basically head over to your Google Meet once again and just tap on this new button at the bottom right corner, and you can see there is the option to actually schedule and meet. So you can just tap on this schedule option over here and you just have to allow notifications if you don't want to miss anything. So once you're inside here, you can basically choose on between the date and title about when and where you want to add your event or anything, or like your next meeting or schedule your next meeting. And you can also actually provide your meeting title just like this. So let me just quickly give a meeting title over here. So I'll simply give it just like this, and you can also choose on this option that is all day. So you can basically enable it to let them know that the meeting will conduct for the whole day, or you can also disable it to conduct the meeting based on the particular choice of your timing. And you can also add new people to view your schedule from over here, and you can also add location about where you want your meeting to take place and how long you want your meeting to take place. And you can also provide a notification for yourself or for others who are inside this meeting who can view this schedule to remind them of the meeting. So you can basically add description, add a Google Drive attachment, and simply click on save. And just like that, your meeting will be scheduled for that particular date and time. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.